Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick video of our trip up to Breckenridge, Colorado. Breckenridge is about, say, 2 hours, give or take, from Denver, Colorado area. The drive up there is actually really beautiful. All the mountains, of course. There's snow in those mountains depending as the elevation goes up. Cute little towns along the way. So if you want to get a bite to eat, whether it's in Breckenridge or one of the little towns as you're driving through, by all means do. You can get lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever time of day you're going. As you can see, there's snow on the ground, but it was not cold. The climate was really well. I'd probably say high 50s, and this is a thing in Colorado, is since our altitude, it can be in the 50s and you can get hot because we're closer to the sun here. So, but I always say dress accordingly. Even though you want to dress in a way that you have layers. So if it gets warm on you, that you can take some of those layers off. But in case something was to happen, like you got lost or just you were later in the day when you decided to turn around and come back from the trail, you have something to put on to keep yourself warm. This is the B&B Trail in Breckenridge. Like I said, this trail goes on and on. You can also take mountain bikes on this trail. It says, though, specifically nothing motorized. It even has a picture of an e-bike. So you cannot take e-bikes on this trail. But we didn't bring any e-bikes. We came here to hike it. Beautiful walk. Different patches of it has snow. Be very careful, though, because there could be snow and ice because people do walk along this trail. And so just be mindful not to slip or anything, or just watch your step. Very beautiful hike through this area. Now, with that being said, you can go on and on. I saw people riding mountain bikes, and depending on the time of day and the day, it can get really packed up here. When we went, we saw maybe 7 people altogether, maybe past just 2 people along the trail, to be honest with you. You can hear elk sometimes in the calling to each other in the background here, and you know the sound of an elk if you ever heard elk before. But I highly recommend it. This is a free hike. This is a free something free to do in Colorado if you're visiting or you live here. It's something to save you money and take your family to go do, or just yourself. So highly recommend you go up to Breckenridge and check out the B&B Trail system up here and go seek out adventure. We had a great time. It was free. I didn't really take any pictures in the town this time. We didn't stop here for anything neat because, to be honest with you, we were on a budget for this one. So when we did go get a quick bite to eat, it was somewhere cheap. And that's just to be truthful about it. We didn't go anywhere fancy or anywhere cool that you need to see in regards to that. The main purpose of this trip was to get out of the city and just go hike in one of the cute mountain towns here. Summers here, falls in the mountains is beautiful. You don't just come here for skiing. Colorado has some amazing, amazing scenery to see. Anyway, I want to thank everyone for watching my video, and I hope everyone's having a good day. And also, I've almost forgot, I also tried out I'll do a review of my new vest. I have a new vest that I got that's has a heating element in it. So you push a button and it can keep you warm. Put it this way, it was a little too warm for that up here, even though some people from out of state may think it's chilly. With the vest turned on, did not need it. But I'll be doing a review of my little heated vest anyway. So thanks for watching, everyone.